Hey, fifth grade. Today's learning target is I can learn to identify supporting details. Let's break it up. What is support? So, yeah, holding someone up, building something up, um, something that helps or agrees with. All right. So then what are details? Yeah, small parts of something. Piece of the puzzle. I have brown eyes. Angel has a red shirt. Uh, Cherish has new shoes. Looking good. All right, those are all details. Absolutely. So let's start thinking about supporting details in a story. So things that describe or make an idea stronger, those are the supporting details, right? So what about a story like The Three Little Pigs, right? This is one that we have all heard, right? So if we start thinking about The Three Little Pigs, and here's an image to maybe jog your memory a little bit. Can we list some details on the board? Just shout them out as you think of them. What are some details about this story, The Three Little Pigs? Yep, 3 pigs build houses. One is stick, one is straw, one is brick. The wolf comes to get them. He huffs and he puffs. And then they do boil him in a pot. All right, so those are details about the story, The Three Little Pigs. Now, what if I made a statement, right? The wolf is bad. Now, we all know that no one is all good or all bad. We all have elements of both, right? We do really great things and we might think some not so good thoughts or whatever. But no one is all good, no one is all bad. But if we think in those terms of like a superhero movie where the superhero is all good, right? She is constantly saving the day, right? And the supervillain is all bad. They only do bad things, right? So the wolf is bad. Do you think that we can conjure up some ideas from the story of The Three Little Pigs that support that statement? The wolf is bad. So here's my first idea. He's trying to eat them. That's bad, right? That is bad. Anyone else? All right. He blows 2 of the houses down. Absolutely. That's bad. Oh, and he tries to break into the last house. This is why he gets boiled in a pot, right? Totally deserves it. Maybe not. So we have supported the statement, the wolf is bad. We have used ideas from the story to support the statement that the wolf is bad. All right. So I want you to raise your hair if anyone has ever told you you need a haircut. They sure have told me. So this little story we're going to look at next is called Bonk Needs a Haircut, right? So when we are looking for supporting details, we are thinking of an idea, thinking of a statement, right? Bonk needs a haircut. And then we're looking in the story. These are not ideas that just come out of our head, although we might have some great ideas in our head about why Bonk needs a haircut. But we can't just look at this picture on the front and say, oh, well, it looks awful. Yeah, Bonk needs a haircut. We need to read a little bit and look in the story to find ideas that support that statement, Bonk needs a haircut. Okay, so how do we know it's true? What in the story is telling me that Bonk needs a haircut? So I I want you to read the first 6 pages, and then we will fill out this support a statement together, okay? So I've already got one down there. He doesn't like his ponytail, okay? So that's one idea that supports the statement, Bonk needs a haircut, okay? And this guy needs a haircut too, I know. Okay, so read to page 6, and then we'll come back together and share our ideas about the other 2 supporting ideas. All right, looking like everyone is pretty much done reading those 6 pages. So what are our ideas? What support did we find for the statement, Bonk needs a haircut? Yeah, his fur hangs in his eyes, right? Okay, when my fur is all over my eyes, I need a haircut, right? Okay. What's the next reason that we found to support the idea, the statement that Bonk needs a haircut? It flops on his shoulders. There we go. Those are 3 things from the book that support, those are supporting ideas that support the statement, Bonk needs a haircut, okay? Good, good, good. Okay, so I believe that you are all amply prepared to do this on your own now. Now I'm going to give you the statement to think about. You're going to finish the rest of the story and fill out your very own supportive statement, all right? So your statement to think about while you're reading is, it was a good idea to get a haircut. You're going to find 2 ideas that support this statement from the story, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, you got it, get to it. Bye.